I am not my hair. I am not the skin. I am not your expectations, no. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my bathroom. You know, like the manager show, the girls' room. Yeah, no, okay. Well, yeah. So welcome. As you can see, I don't have my wig on anymore. I miss her. I miss you, Autumn. I decided to take that out, and I washed my hair, did the twist out, and here we are, twist and shout. So this is how I styled it. Don't mind my nape; it's struggling. I have a habit where I like pull out my hair, so if it's balding back there, that's why. If you guys want to, find out how I accomplished the twist out, keep watching. You won't be disappointed.
Yesterday.
Once upon a time, not long ago, I had a perm, and I'm admitting it. Yeah, I've been natural for like, I don't know, 3 solid years. I think I started transitioning 4 years ago. Yeah, I took the easy route. I didn't do the big chop. Don't hate me, but if anyone out there is transitioning, don't let them big choppers make you feel guilty about it just because you want to keep your length. Just remember to keep on trimming. Just keep trimming, just keep trimming, just keep trimming. Do I regret doing the transitioning route? No, I don't. It wasn't that bad. Like I said, you just gotta trim. Wow. My 4 workable sections. On top of this being, me showing you my twist-out routine, I would also recommend you guys do this for arm day because it's a great arm workout. 4 main products I use when I want to do a nice little twist out is water, number 1. 2, a leave-in conditioner. Cantu, Shea, butter, coconut curling cream is, and it smells the wrong way. It smells so good. Oh, look at that creamy crack. That's a good crack you should be using. And then top it off with Eco Styler gel in green, olive oil. I think that's why it's green. That's the good stuff. Oh, look, it matches my nails. Oh, moisture. Did I get my leave-in? Spray this gel on there. Oh, my eye. Cantu coconut cream. I don't know, maybe this might be too much, but whatever. Put that on. And then Eco Styler gel. It's like that much. Work it in. And bada bing. I braid my base. Because I feel like I get closer to the root when I start with a braid. So if you don't know how to braid, I'm not the one to teach you, sorry. But you basically just braid it, couple, do one more. So yeah, got that braid base, and then I split the remaining hairs kind of evenly. That's about even. And then I just keep on twisting. And then whenever I'm getting to the end, I add more Eco Styler gel to the tip so they can really stick together. And then once I get to the bottom, I kind of do a little twisty twist. And there it is, guys. There's my twist. So that's it. All my twists. And I'm just gonna go to sleep. You know how they always go like, oh, they're gonna sleep. But I ain't going to sleep, it's early. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow whenever it's really dry and all that jazz. And then we're gonna take it out.
The next day.
Greetings. Good early afternoon. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna see how it looks. I get some black Jamaican castor oil. I kind of just like rub it everywhere. You know, to lube it up. It's not so frizzy when I'm starting to take it down. You just want to be gentle. Alright, so we started it. And I kind of just let it like, you know, kind of roll itself. Ooh, look at this definition. Great, this is what I like to see. And I try and see where it like separates naturally. And then I separate that there. And I think it's like really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna do this, come back, we'll see what it's looking like. And then I'll fluff and style. All right, they're all out. This is it. You can see there's a huge part here. Bam, get a big comb, as in like a wide tooth comb, preferably. And then kind of just start fluffing the roots. Maybe like extending them out a little bit. And then I just end up using my like fingers to do more fluffing. And pulling and elongating. And I just keep playing with it. And you know, you can style it how you want. I just decided to do this little half up, half down thing with the bangs or whatever. If you guys hate it, let me know in the comment box so I can just delete my whole YouTube account. So I decided to just throw it up in this puff with some bangs. How did I do that? I really just got like a hair tie and sorry, I can't show you. I did it off camera and I don't feel like taking it off because it looks cute right now. I'm sorry. But yeah, so basically this is it. And then I just kind of like use bobby pins to create this bang. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're feeling my vibe or whatever. And yeah, let me know how this makeshift tutorial was because this is my first one. Let me know if I shouldn't do any more because I'll be glad to not.